question I wondered about for more than a month. What does the parity algorithm of a 4x4 get on a 3x3? I'm talking about PLL parity, not OLL parity. I mean, OLL parity is so complex. So, PLL parity is an algorithm you use to solve the final part of the cube, as in, like you get this case. For example, you get this case, but there's an edge here as well, and it's not adjacent or opposite. So for that, you need to use the PLL algorithm, the PLL parity algorithm. So yeah, let's try that on a 4x4 first. 2R2, U2, 2R2, double layer U2, 2R2, and then double U again, double layer U2 again. And yeah, that does it, but as the cube is scrambled right here, I don't think you'll be able to see it properly. I was solving it the other day, but then I stopped solving it, so okay, never mind. Okay, so let's try this on a 3x3. So as a 4x4 has 4 layers, there are 2 middle layers, so 2R2, right? But in this there are just 3 layers and just 1 middle layer. So we just move this to M rather than 2R2. So it's M2 actually. Yeah. So instead of 2R2, it's M2. Then U2, M2, then U2. That fixes this up. M2, U2, M2, U2. And that fixes this part up. As in, it doesn't fix, it just spoils it. I mean, it flips it. Just look at this. This is flipped. These 2 edges are flipped. So are these. I mean, pretty good, isn't it? This is known as the flipped pattern. So in these, all the edges are flipped, and it looks pretty good. So this is what you get when you try the PLL parity algorithm on a 3x3. So yeah, pretty good, right? Like the video if you didn't know about this. Like it if you knew about it as well. Okay, so as we've now taken a solved cube and done this pattern, we're now gonna scramble it up and solve the cube to the flipped pattern. So yeah, let's scramble the cube up. Right here, we've scrambled the cube. Okay, now we're gonna try solving it. In order to ensure that the edges are flipped, we'll match them up in the incorrect manner. So we'll match up blue with green, orange with red. I mean, this is so absurd. Red with orange. And we need to put green in with blue. So yeah, that's completely flipped. On the other hand, you do not flip the corners because that will just ruin the pattern. So we'll just do the corners correctly. Orange and green. It goes here. Blue and orange. It goes right here. And the last one goes here. So yeah, just look at this. This is literally flipped to the middle there. Moving on to the middle there. Left algorithm again. That gets the middle layer done. Oh wait, actually it doesn't. Lol. Okay, now we got OLL. By the way, I'll upload a few tutorials related to OLL. And if you don't know how to solve a Rubik's Cube, just go check out my tutorial on that. Link is in the description. Okay, we got this case, so we'll just use PLL. Oh no, we've got the edges incorrectly placed. We need to get this here. How do I do that? Wait a minute, we could use the adjacent PL thing, which is M prime, U prime, M2, U prime, M2, U prime, M prime, U twice, and M twice. And we're done! Oh wow. I mean, this was a fun challenge. I mean, I liked it. If you liked it, like the video, hit that subscribe button. Bye.